Army Chief General Manoj Mukund Naravne is presiding over the Commanders' Conference that began on Wednesday. During the three-day meeting, the top brass of the force is likely to discuss security issues along with other points. The standoff at the border with China in Ladakh is also likely to be discussed. The meeting comes amid the Indian Army reinforcing its troops to match the strength of the Chinese Army that has deployed over 5,000 of its personnel on the line of actual control at different locations in the Ladakh sector. A day after Rahul Gandhi distanced the Congress from a decision-making role in Maharashtra following criticism over the handling of the coronavirus situation there, Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has called a meeting of his alliance partners amid reports of a rift. Speculation peaked over strained ties after a meeting between Thackeray and NCP Supremo Sharad Pawar earlier. The UN's weather agency has warned that the coronavirus could heighten the health risks associated with the heat wave. The World Meteorological Organization advised governments to protect citizens from heat wave while battling the coronavirus. The WMO said that 2020 would be one of the hottest years on record. Meanwhile, the heat wave condition over northwest India, central India and other parts of the country was at its peak on Tuesday. 2 days after setting up a new migrants commission in the state, tasked with registering and providing jobs to migrant workers, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath on Tuesday announced that workers and labourers who have returned from other states will be provided affordable houses and shops. This after the lockdown imposed due to the coronavirus saw a mass exodus of migrant labourers from other states back to their native places, particularly to Uttar Pradesh. In a video clip, an infant can be seen pulling the shroud of its mother at a station in Bihar. The woman had died of extreme heat, hunger and dehydration just moments before the clip was taken. The clip is from a station in Muzaffarpur in Bihar where the woman had arrived in a special train for migrants. In an unprecedented move, Twitter labeled 2 tweets from US President Donald Trump as misleading. The social media giant highlighted 2 of Trump's tweets that falsely claim that mail-in ballots would lead to widespread voter frauds. Twitter said its move was to provide context around Trump's tweets. President Trump then blasted Twitter over its action. A video of a handcuffed black man dying while a Minneapolis officer knelt on his neck for more than 5 minutes has outraged people across the world, once again shining a spotlight on police treatment of the African Americans in the United States. Minneapolis Mayor Jacob Frey fired 4 police officers following the death in custody of George Floyd on Monday as the suspect was pressed shirtless onto a Minneapolis street, one officer pressing down on his neck even as the man pleaded for release.